In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Dear students, we've started our lesson using the scientific method written by Darrell, Bernard, and Lon and Edwards. Last time I have introduced these two persons to all of you. I'm repeating just for previous knowledge and recapitulating our knowledge about the lesson scientific method. I'm just repeating it only for a few minutes. What is scientific method? A process or step taken to clear it, to produce and reliable results. Then we also can say a scientific method is an action taken by the people after repeated tests and trials for benefit and wisdom. We have a figure, we have a diagram, only to elaborate and demonstrate it. This is scientific method. The first step is our observation. A man observes, then he questions, repeatedly questions. Then he makes hypotheses. Then he experiments, makes so many experiments and tests, and after that he concludes a specific result. This cycle is called a scientific method. Then, dear students, in modern age, we have another approach in a very scientific way about our scientific method. Make observations at first, then think of interesting questions, and after that formulate hypotheses, then develop testable predictions, and after that there is gather data to test predictions, and also there is refine, alter, expand, or reject hypotheses. Hypothesis: when we refine, when we alter, when we expand, or we reject hypothesis, this is the base of modern science. Then after that, our last approach into general theories. Next, coming to our lesson, the main points of the lesson are comparison of the past and present people of all on following grounds: control of disease, sanitary conditions, condition of food, pattern attitude. Modern men are more advanced in transportation and communication. Then it is also elaborated a comparison in column wise. The blue shows the people of the past, their situation, their location, their practices, their routine, and after that what we made the nutshell brief history of the people of the past. The past people were narrow-minded, dirty, less rational or wise. Compared to them, by the modern people, we may say modern people are mentally active, broad, clean, and more rational. So, you may repeat all these clauses, all these sections, all these columns in your mind as you have read it in your previous lecture. Then, our concern topic about sanitary conditions. It is also comparison, and these comparisons have been mentioned to all of you. It is people just 200 years ago, a few centuries just. Recent age. Comparison study, the lesson, and I will highlight people of the past? What was the sanitary condition of the people? The streets were narrow, unpaved, and poorly drained. Second condition was outdoor toilets were common, no proper system of drainage, household garbage and refuse were thrown into the streets, water was carried from a considerable distance. Coming to the recent age, what progress man has made through his scientific method, today our streets are well trained and paved. Second, sewage is carried through sealed pipe to disposable plants. Third, sanitary departments are working for the cleanliness and water supply to the cities. And the writers have given us an example of Los Angeles. That city is provided with water from the Colorado River. Dear students, this is a comparison of the people of the past and people living in recent age. And this comparison is about sanitary conditions. After reading your text up to these conditions, you will be asked certain questions. I assign you homework. Open your books, read the passage again and again, keep these points into your mind, and after that, solve the assignment that is to you as. According to paper pattern, you will be asked to give short answers to the following. A. According to the writers, what are our problems that we have solved? You will get the question if you read the text thoroughly and wisely. Then you will also make answers to the question. Second, mention some diseases of the past. Very simple, and I think you can easily write it. What were the sanitary conditions in the past? These questions are asked to you. Then, according to paper pattern, you are also assigned find out synonyms of the following. These words are in your text lesson using the scientific method, and also these words you have read in your previous classes, just as first year, 9th, 10th, and also so on. So, dear students, these words are simple, but you will have find out synonyms of these words. With solution and answer to the questions, and also for the completion of the lesson, we'll see tomorrow. Okay, Allah Hafiz.